we're going to start by putting in this sleeve here that's going to go underneath our pathway. Just a good idea to use the sleeve. You're going to be compacting and you don't want to be breaking any pipes. Alright, so you want to remember here, just always be packing it down after you do a little bit of work. The stronger, more compact you keep the dirt and the soil underneath, the more your pathway is going to hold the actual level and look you want it to, where it's just sagging over time. But you can see we got that sprinkler line in that sleeve. Just a good idea to roll that entire sprinkler line out. Do it in the sun if you can too. It just helps it lose that memory from the factory, so you can kind of work it better without it having that curl and that loop in it all the time. So putting in the other sleeve here up at the top of the pathway, you can see it's nothing special, just some pipe. Don't even cut off the coupler. Really, you're just getting it in there and then you're covering it up, and that way when you pack this dirt down, it will not damage that sprinkler line. Alright, so right back where we started at the front of the video or top of the video here, you just use this little tool. All you do is poke a tiny hole in here, grab one of these diverters, and you just shove that thing in. The barb side goes in, that way that catches and doesn't pull back out. That actually makes the seal, and then all you do from here is grab a set of or a roll of 1/4 inch kind of sprinkler line. Looks like this. We got brown because we were putting it in brown rock after this. You can get this in black as well, but cut it close to the plant there, get a stand, and just kind of shove it in there. Make sure your water's getting on there, and can be more simpler than that. Only tip I'll do after this I'll share with you is I started kind of punching those holes a little more on the side of the main sprinkler line. That way they can just hide in the rock better. So simple as that. We're just going to crush through all these real quick. There's a way that you can put the dripper right at the plant versus where we have it on the sprinkler line, but you know, that's for you to decide when you do yours. So we're going to go ahead and speed this up, get through it, and put the rock in and see what she looks like. just wanted to thank you guys for watching. One thing I forgot to mention throughout the video there was we ended up putting a backflow preventer in. Just came with the drip system there, so it's an important step. Don't want to forget. As always, if you guys have any questions or comments, just leave them below and I'll try to get to them.